Good morning, everyone. So, MCB Unit 1 Tasty Treats, Section A Dal Delight. And this PPT is of Part 1, where we will be covering a warm up activity, and there are some slides about the author and an introduction to the story also. So, I'll be sending you another PPT, second part, where we will be covering the summary of the story and another one more PPT, that is part 3 of Dal Delight, where I will be giving you the character sketch. Unit 1 Tasty Treats. So we have already done one activity. We have given you one activity related to this unit Tasty Treats, where we had asked you to make a scrapbook or an album collecting the different food items and describing those food items. Okay, so this slide is nothing but the same page in your textbook. So it is like, which food do you like the best and why you like it. So it is like you can see different food items in this slide. So like aloo paratha, dumplings or momos, we have masala dosa, lasagna and dokla. So out of this, like lasagna, it might not be familiar to you. Rest everything will be familiar. So lasagna is actually an Italian dish, a baked Italian dish actually, and it can be either of veg or non-veg. The filling can be either of meat or it can be of vegetarian as well.
So coming to the chapter, Dal Delight. Dal means pulses. So a dish with whole or split pulses are also called dal. Whole pulses in the like tuvar dal and everything, and split pulses like there can be like some pulses it will be splitted also. It can be either as like urad dal. You get both of it in market. Like either it can be the whole one or it will be the split one also. So there is a warm up activity in your textbook where you need to match the pulse to its name. So coming, we can try that. We have already tried this in our online session. So here the first one, it is not black gram, it is masoor dal, brown lentils masoor dal. And the second one, it is black gram or urud dal, what you call actually. And third one, this is moong dal or green gram.
So about the story, so whenever there is a story, there should be a setting like this where the story takes place, and there will be some characters, right? So and there will be some theme to that story. So in this Dal Delight by Subhadra Sen Gupta, the setting is in the lane of Lucknow. You can see the whole story taking place in the lane of Lucknow. Like either the story is starting itself in the food stall of Muhammad Qadir, where it is also in that lane, and then you can see Nawab's palace also, which is also situated in that lane. So the whole story is taking place through the lanes of Lucknow. And introducing the characters, you can see there is a fussy cook Muhammad Qadir and a proud Nawab Hassan Ali. And there is one more character who is very important. He is the son of Muhammad Qadir and his name is Sadiq. Apart from that, you can meet one small character, though he is like he doesn't have that much importance in the story. He has got a very prominent role in the story, and that is Sadiq's friend Ahmed. So here in the story, as it is said, the name itself is said, Muhammad Qadir, he is a fussy cook. Fussy cook in the sense like he's so good in his profession, in cooking and everything, but he doesn't know how to hold his customers well. So because of that, he lost many customers. So one day, this proud Nawab Hassan Ali, visits Muhammad Qadir, and but like as usual, this cook put forth some conditions in front of Nawab also, like he needs to come to his stall for having dal and everything. So now we can see in the story whether Nawab will be able to come to the stall for having dal chahi urad, whether the cook will be able to get a reward from Nawab. Okay, we can see whether Sadiq will be happy. So I'll be sending you one more PPT where I will be giving you a detailed explanation of the text and the summary as well. Okay, so children, the PPT for Dal Delight, it is divided into 3 parts. This is the first PPT that I had sent it to you. So in this PPT, there is it is about the 2 activities that we had done in the class and about the author and an introduction to the story. Now in the second PPT, I will be sending it to you with the summary of the story and the detailed description of the textbook as well. Okay, thank you.